Good afternoon, Sean D M Meyers here with another video. This time it's about accountability. What is accountability? Let's start with the definition of accountability. It is the quality or state of being accountable or an obligation or willingness to accept responsibility or to account for one's actions. So, in short, accountability is owning up to your responsibilities. And, before you accomplish anything in life, at a successful level, you have to first sit down and think, am I doing everything in my power possible to make sure this thing comes to reality? If you have a business right now that you're trying to get off the ground, that you may have that's been kind of idle, it haven't brought you any money, it haven't brought you any kind of results, the first thing you think of, the first thing that you must realize is the reason why you're not succeeding is because of you. Before you can, pass the blame to anything else, you have to own or take responsibility of your failure. It's so much easier to say, my business is I'm not finding any success in my business because, this other person, my mentor, whoever, is not teaching me the right things, or I'm not in the inner circle of other successful people. Therefore, I can't, I'm suffering personally. No, you can never say anything like that. No one in this world can stop you from being successful. And the reason why is there is no one else in this world like you. There's no one else in this world. You are you. You are the only you on this earth. So a person's predictions of your success or failure, holds zero value, zero value at all. So, if you want to be successful in anything you're doing, take accountability for your actions. Do a self-evaluation. If everyone in this world took complete responsibility for whatever it is that their success or failure, it will be way more successful people in this world. And the reason being is that there would be very rare amount of people that are passing the blame to others. Some people say, my parents, the way I was raised, or I didn't have the right guidance, or and the list goes on and on and on. All those things are true, but at the end of the day, your personal accountability, your personal responsibility is to make sure that that thing that you're trying to make happen in your life happen. Only thing another person, another individual, another group, whoever can do is to give you keys to success based on, in all reality, based on what worked for them. And you got to remember that this is your life, this is your journey. The things that you're trying to accomplish, the things that you will accomplish, the things that you want to accomplish, is a part of your life, a part of your story, a part of your journey. And accountability applies for everything. If you're trying to lose weight or have a meaningful relationship, anything that you're trying to do all stems from accountability. Am I responsible enough to bring this thing to life? Is my ambition strong enough to make this thing a reality? And in most cases, it's not. It's impossible to do everything on your own, but You know, you can have a solid team. You can have the right people in your corner. But at the end of the day, none of that matters until you want as much success as they want for you. Some people, in all reality, some people want someone else's success better than that individual wanted for themselves. And it's a blessing to have those type of people in your life. People can see that you slacking. People can see that you might not have it all yet, but people will stay with you based on, you know, what they see possible for you. Don't let those individuals down, because when you lose that type of support, you know, life gets real tough trying to figure things out on your own unnecessarily. So I hope you take this message, apply it to whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish in your life right now. Taking that accountability, taking full responsibility for whatever it is, you know, whatever success or failure that's going on in your life. Doing that one little thing will, you know, make things better for you. Accountability. D M Meyers. Remember, failure is fiction, and see you on the next video.